27a, 2, 1, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 2. Find A transpose into A and A into A transpose, where A raised to T is the transpose of the matrix. So first you write A, then write A transpose. So A transpose will be A transpose 2, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 2 into 2, 1, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 2. So this we want to multiply. So after completing, I will do. 2 into, tell me, 2 into 2, no one is there.
Two into 2 plus 0 into 0.
Plus this 0 into 0. Next, what?
2 into 1 plus 0 into 1.
Into 1. 2 into 1. This one into this second column. First
This
column is second column. First row into second column. 2 into 1
plus 0 into 1.
Plus 0 into 1. Next, first row
2 into third row.
2 into
column. 2 into negative
1
1 plus 0 into negative 2.
plus 0 into negative 2. Then second row into first column. So
1 into 2 plus
1 into 2 plus
1 into 0.
1 into 0. Then first row into second column.
1 into 1 plus 1 into 1.
Plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Next, second row into third column. 1
into negative 1.
Negative 1
plus 1 into negative 2.
1 into negative 2. Next, 1 into
negative 1 into
negative 1 into
2 plus negative 2 into 0.
Negative 2 into 0.
Negative 1 into 1 plus negative 2 into 1 plus negative 2 into 1.
Negative 2 into 1. Any doubt? Negative 1 into
1 plus negative 2 into 2.
Negative 1 into negative 1.
Negative 1 into negative 1 plus negative 2 into negative 2.
Plus negative 2 into negative 2. Good. What about others? Got it? Yes or no? Then next step what? So 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 into 2, 0. Then 2 into 1
plus 0
plus 0. Then 2 into negative 1 is negative 2
plus 0.
Plus 0 into negative 2 is 0.
0.
Then 2 into
2 plus 0.
2 plus 0. 2 into 1, 2 plus 0. Then 1 into 1.
1 into 1 plus 1. Then negative 1 plus negative 2.
Negative 1.
Negative minus 2.
Okay, you going to do negative 1. This plus 1 into negative 1 together we can take. No, I think so. Is it easy for you? Think of this plus as positive 1. So it will be what? Directly we can do positive 1 into negative 2. Think of that. So positive negative is negative. 1 into 2 is 2. Any doubt in this step?
No, man.
Okay. Next step?
Negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 plus 0.
Plus 0.
Negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 2. Minus 2.
Think of this. Plus is there. Or directly we can do, no? That is.
Yes, ma'am.
And plus is there. Then negative 2 into 1. Plus already there. Do in the working column. Negative 2 into 1 is what? Negative 2. Then plus already there. Plus and minus. So it will be minus 2. Directly we can write. We can avoid.
Yes, ma'am.
This in the working column. Okay. Then next.
1 plus 2.
Negative 1 into negative 1, positive 1. Same case here we can apply. Plus is there. Then negative 2 into negative 2 means what? Positive 4. Positive 4. That means already 1 plus there. Then positive 4 also. So 2 plus means plus 4 we can do directly. Any doubt in this step? That things you can do in the working order, then it will be easy. You can avoid one step. It will be so 4, 2, negative 2, 2, 2, negative 3, negative 2,
negative 3.
5. This is what? A transpose into A, no? A transpose into A. We got this. Next, we want to find out A into A transpose. Same way we want to do that. Do it. 6, 3, 3, 5. Okay. What about others? 28th question. M 4, 1, negative 1, 2. 6m minus m square is equal to 9i. So I is a 2 by 2 matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 1. So we can write as first we can write 6m. 6m is equal to what? Directly you can do, I think so. No need of writing 6. Can we do directly 6m? Or if I 6m. So directly. So multiply with the 6, this one m. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. Then 6 into negative 1 is negative 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 6m. Next we want to find out which one m square. M square is equal to m into m. First we can write like this way. M into m, which is equal to m is 4 1 negative 1 2. Then again m 4 1 negative 1 2. Multiply 4 into 1. 4 1 here. 4 negative 1. 4 into 4. Then plus 1 into negative 1. 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Next, negative 1 into 4 plus 2 into negative 1. Then negative 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next it will be I think all are doing 16. 4 into 4, 16. Then positive 1 into negative 1 is negative 1. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Then negative 1 into 4 is negative 4. Plus 2 into negative 1. Positive 2 into negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 1 into positive 1 is negative 1. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. Next it will be 16 minus 1. 15.
15 7 negative 6 3.
7. 4 plus 2 only you are getting now.
6.
6. Then negative 4, negative 2 is negative 6. Then positive 3. Correct now? Correct now? All got this? Okay. Then next what we want to do? 9i. 9i is what? 9i is what? I is 9 into I means 1001. So which is equal to what?
9009.
9009. So which is equal to 9009. So we want to check whether it is that or not. This answer we want to get. No. So start with the 6m minus m square. Start 6m minus m square is equal to 6m minus m square. 6m. Anyone?
Equal, ma'am.
This one what? Start from LHS. LHS is equal to 6m minus m square is equal to 6m is how much? 24. Then 6 negative 6 are 6 2s are 12. Minus m square. Now you got what? M square. Anyone? M square.
15 6 15 6 negative 6 3.
15. 15, no?
Yes, sir.
Then 24 minus 15 is what? First one, 24 minus 15. Then 6 minus 6. That step you should write. Okay, negative 6 minus 6. Then 12 minus 3. So which is equal to 24 minus 15 is 9. Then 0. Here it will be positive. No, 6 minus 6 plus 6. So it will be positive. So it becomes 0. 12 minus 3 is
9.
9, which is equal to, we can write what? 91001. 9 into, that is 9i, which is equal to RHS. This way we want to prove. Question number 29. P is equal to 2639. Q is equal to 3xy2. Then write down null matrix. Null matrix is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Null matrix of order 2 by 2. Null matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Then find x and y such that PQ is equal to null matrix. PQ is equal to null matrix. So for PQ, given PQ is equal to null matrix. Therefore, write P 2639 into Q is 3xy2 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. We want to equate that. So 2 into 3, then plus 6 into y is what? 6y we can do directly. 6 into y is 6y. Then 2 into x is what? 2x we can do right directly. Then 6 into 2 is 12. This also you can do, I think so. 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 6y. Then x is 3 into 3. 9 plus 9y. Then 3 into x is 3x plus 9 2s are 18. All got this? Is equal to 0.
Got answer.
0. Okay. So equate that. So next it will be.
Ma'am, answer y is equal to 91, x is equal to 96.
Wait, we can check. Wait. Then what about others doing now? 6 plus 6y. 6 plus 6y is equal to 0. Next 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Next 9 plus 9y is equal to 0. Next is what? 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. So 6 plus 6y is equal to 0 means 6y we can write here itself. So minus 6. So y is equal to negative 6 by 6. So y is equal to negative 1. Here 2x is equal to negative 12 from this. So x is equal to negative 12 by 2. So x is equal to negative 6. Same answer we are getting for this 2 also. So only one is stated. So what about your answer? Ashfaq, no?
Yes, ma'am.
X is equal to?
X is equal to 96, y is equal to 90.
Negative 1. Okay. Question number 30. 2 cos 60 degree minus 2 sin 30 degree negative tan 45 degree cos 0 degree cot 45 cosec 30 sec 60 sin 90. So what are the values of cos 60, sin 30, tan 45, etc.? Tell me.
Sin 30 is equal to 1.
So
by
there,
2.
don't write. Okay. 2 into cos 60 is what?
1 by
1 by 2. If we replace cos 60 as 1 by 2 directly, we can cancel this 2 and 2. That's why we are not using that table. Understood? So cos 60 without using tables. We want to learn by heart cos 60 1 by 2. The next is what? Negative 2 into sin 30. Value of sin 30 is what?
1 by 2.
Again 1 by 2. So 2 we can cancel next step. Then negative tan 45. So negative tan 45 value is tan 45.
2.
Tan 45 value. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is
-1.
That negative here, then 1.
1.
Tan 45 value is 1. Then cos 0.
1.
1 into then cot 45. Tan 45 we got it as 1. So cot 45 value is what? Reciprocal of tan. Cot 45. Cot 45 is cot 45.
1.
0 by 1.
Is it 0 by 1?
Yeah, 1.
1.
1.
Tan 45 is what? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is what? 1 by 1.
1.
So cot 45 also 1 by 1. Cot 45 1. Then cosec 30. What about sin 30? Reciprocal of sin 30 is cosec 30.
2 by 1.
2 by 1.
So 2 by 1 can be written as 2. Then next is what? Sec 60. Cos 60 we have. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So what about sec 60?
2 by 1.
2 by 1. So it is 2. Then sin 90.
1.
Sin 90 1. Up to this, okay, I think so. Or otherwise, if you don't know, what do we want to do? That board pattern. I see board council pattern. What we want to do?
0 by 4 in root
Do in the working column what? 0. Which are the values? 0, 30 degree, then 45 degree, then
45,
60 degree,
60, 90.
90 degree. Do in the working column or somewhere else. So 30, 45, 60, 90. Then next step, what we want to do? Tell me.
Sin cos
0 divided by root 2. Next is what? 1 by,
Root.
is it 1 by root 2 or 1 by 4? What I told?
by root 1 by 4 whole root.
1 by 4.
Anyone. Root of 0 by,
4.
then root of 1 by 4. Next is what?
1 by 4.
Root 2 by 4. Then 3 by
3 by 4.
Then
4 by 4.
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So 0 by 4 is what? 0 itself.
0.
Then this can be written as what? Root 1 by 4 is what? Root 1 by 4 is 1 by
1 by 2.
Then here we can cancel 1, 2 and 4 we can cancel from here itself. So 1 by 2 it will be. So which is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Here is what? Root 3 divided by root 4 is what? 2.
2.
Then 4 we can cancel 1. Root 1 is 1 itself. So this we can give for 0 degree. This we can give for what? 30 degree. This for 45 degree and this for 60 degree and this for 90 degree.
90.
So this way, 0 table. How can we write the table? Tell me. Here, sine, cos, tan, sine, then cos, then tan. Tell me. Table. Create a table. Okay, do that. Sine 0. 0. Sine 30. Now we got
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Then sine
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Then
Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. Then sine
1.
91.
91.
Then, cos we want to take the
Reverse. Reverse.
reverse that. So
Back side.
1
1.
root
Root
3
Root
3 by
3 by
2.
2.
1
1
by
by root 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
0. Then tan will be 0 by 1 is what?
0.
Then this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So tan 30 will be 1 by root
1 by root 3.
Then 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 divided by
1.
1. Then here 2 will cancel. Root 3 by 1 is what?
Root 3.
3. So 1 by 0 is what?
0.
1 by 0.
Defined, not defined.
Not defined. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Then take the reciprocal of sine means what? Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. Cos is what? Sec. Tan is what? Cot. So likewise you want to do or otherwise learn by heart. Okay. Completed?
ഇല്ല മിസ്സേ.
So 2 we can cancel. So it will be here 1. Here also 2 we can cancel. It will be negative 1.
Negative
Here negative 1 1.
One.
Then 1 2
1, 2.
1. Okay. So multiply matrix multiplication. So what will be matrix multiplication?
And
And
answer.
Ah.
Answer negative 1, 1, 1, negative 1.
what about others? Doing.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 plus negative 1 into 2 is plus negative 2. Negative 1 into 2 is negative 2. 1 into 2 is 2. The negative 1 into positive 1 is negative 1. Then negative 1 into 1 is negative 1. Then plus 1 into 2 is 2. Then negative 1 into 2 is negative 2. Then 1 into 1 is 1. So it will be 1 plus negative 1 means 1 minus
Negative 1.
b. So it will be directly we can write
Negative 1.
1 plus negative 2. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Next step 2 plus negative 1.
1.
2 plus negative 1 is 2 minus 1. 1.
1.
Then negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. Negative
Positive.
2 plus 1 is negative 1. So
Negative.
this is the
Negative.
final answer. Okay. Evaluate. Okay. Thank you.